Nabon Women's Synod College Shillong hanya kasia kashtrek naila aja apuar kala pelong yang kecing Rakhe ngika ka ba arpun rio ka bala pelong hador bar hall mission compound hakwe kaliang ha pai shigji alinti jong college mentala arpun rio nadu plaseng aus nem shia ja kandai spa kandai pun rio u RV kongwer u ong ka jingbat ya ka por ka long ka bokongsan bat kani ka college ka adap ban pen inuksa bat hado ban dadap arpun rio snem jong kecing alinti kamlong ka basong layo ka dedication no RVP nyota President ke governing body Nabon Women's Synod College lakran pediang ni Dr. E.L. Marbinyang ke jingkran na ke principal ke kong isi bela layo ban pendan puramru ikinai kai ki bela palat absan snem pan syakri haka jaka pulih
He has shown, and for the countless blessings that the students have received through the college during these past 26 years of meritorious service to the cause of education. Nabon Women's Synod College began with a humble beginning on the 1st of August 1996. Thanks to the vision and foresight of the KJP Synod, which was the sponsoring body then, who had visualized the idea of setting up a college meant exclusively for imparting higher education for women in this part of the city. The vision is fast taking definite shape. And now this temple of learning has come to stay firmly.
She's carried that big bag, Kasi bag we call. She put there all the papers, the register attendance, and all important documents. We don't have even a place to meet, dear staff and students. Sometimes we'll sit in any classroom. Or sometimes when we need to make the minutes better, we sit somewhere else in the Synod College, in the corridor, any empty spaces. But that was the sacrifice of Madam S. Sokhet, and please convey my greetings to her. The daughter is here, I remember her very well. And those were the beautiful days that, as mentioned by Madam Principal, the difficulty that we start Nabon Women's Synod College, which we dreamed in those days. And that dream has been realized to last year in the Silver Jubilee celebration to the staff and the students alike. So those are the moments that we recollect, those past 25 years. And as I have mentioned, I'm very glad that the management and principal, you remember me. I feel very, very glad for your kind gesture. My prayer, my support, and I wish that Nabon Women's College will continue to move higher and higher. We have heard just now from the principal the preparation for the evaluation team of NAB in very short time. It's a big challenge, we understand. Those who are in university like Kong Guru who are here and others, they know very well how much the efforts that the college now you are in. But as you have passed these 25 years, we hope that even the evaluation team will find you in good place. And together we are with you. And we pray that God will help Nabon Synod Women's College to achieve good grading. And among all those programs, I saw one particular topic that you have discussed, Mary. And I will urge and request you to continue dialogue on this important topic, and that, I want to mention here is human trafficking. I think the organizers of NSS unit and the staff, very well. This is the area that needs so much concentration now in our state, here in Northeast India and as a country as a whole. I have not worked so much, but a little bit involved with these efforts with some of the NGOs here in the city, as was asked from Guwahati. So may I continue to support you, my dear staff and students, to deal with this subject, which is quite unknown to others, unknown to the parents, to the society, to the families, but it is a subject which has been very, very critical that they are. So may I encourage Nabon's Women's Synod College to deal more and delve it more deeply with this area. The other part is the growth of the college in other streams as well. As of now, we have only arts, principally, and we know that in few years' time, that Nabon Synod College, we will even start also the science and the commerce classes. We look forward and we hope and pray that in a very short time, you could also start the two streams of study, and also I've seen in your magazine there are some career-oriented subjects also. This is another area also that is very much needed. Madam Principal has mentioned about you, the graduates who have graduated this year, but the career-oriented programs, this is another part. If Nabon Synod College, if you could give more attention, after getting the degree, as most of our young friends, boys and girls, as we know, especially here in the state of Meghalaya, it is very difficult for them to find a job. So maybe this part of the studies and the discussion, the dialogue within the college, from time to time with career-oriented